Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can make a video player that can play YouTube video in React Native with Typescript. For that we have an official library. It's called React Native YouTube iframe. Earlier this library was React Native YouTube that has been closed 2 years earlier. Earlier we were using React Native YouTube library, but that library have been officially stopped by the YouTube right now, and YouTube now supporting this React Native YouTube iframe. So that we are using. So just type here React Native YouTube iframe, click here. So this library is officially supported by the YouTube also. Earlier YouTube was supporting React Native YouTube, not iframe, but now it is not running on latest library or latest your React Native updates. So this library is also working on React Native with Typescript. So do not just install from here. We have to go to this home page here, because we have instructions to install it. Here we have installation process. So first of all we have to install React Native Web View, and then we have to install React Native YouTube iframe. So for that we can close it here, application, and here I just copy this React Native Web View, and I go there and I say npm I and paste it and type here, and you will see that it will install this library in this application. Now we can install next one that is required. This is for npm. If you have yarn, you can go to yarn also. So we go there, and if suppose you installing this library and you have some dependency problem, so you can copy this line, legacy peer depths. You can install this also if you have any error. So go there, this is installed. Now copy paste once again and it will install this YouTube iframe library also. After installation, that I close this running application window, and once again I will start this application. So we have this one. So once again I start this application like this, and now you see that we have to use this library in this project. For that I go to the documentation here, basic use, and here I try to import this. So I copy this YouTube player and here I paste this library, save this. Then again we go this here, I copy this and I paste after this. I paste after this like that way, and for that I need this option. So I say it is true, and these width and height we have to pass. For that we can take width and height. So I say const and I say width and height, and I take it from dimension dot get. Then I take the size of screen or window like this. We can take window size or screen size, and here I pass height. Now I have to use width also. So I say width like this, and this is not required on state change. We can use it later on. Now I need video ID also. So I have my channel and my video. So I click on it and we have the video ID. So like this I can take video ID, and this video ID I pass here in place of this default one like this, and I save it, and you will see that when this application will run once again, so after updation you see it will run and it will show this video here. You see it coming, and automatically my video will play here because I have set play to true, and you see we have this video and it's going to be play automatically. We can control this play and pause by any button, and we can change the property to true or false. Now if I click on full screen mode, and you will see that it will also turn into the full screen mode like this way. We have full screen mode also, and we can also travel, you see, like this. We can also run this, you see, we can also forward this, backward forward, and it run automatically. There are some issue in this by default library, that it is not coming in landscape mode by default in a full screen. So these we can also change in the future videos. So here I have explained you that how to play a YouTube video here in this React Native with TypeScript. So you see that it is a simple one. There is nothing special is here, just pass a ID and some property we have set, and we are able to play the video. But in future video I will also make a search bar here. In the search field I will type some kind of videos content like song, sad song, love song, anything, and automatically in the flat list I will have the all playlist available. Like you search in the YouTube, suppose you search here and you say here sad song like this, and you see that we have some option here to listen the song. The same playlist we can also have in our application, same type of this. So same searching option we can give here, and we have the option to see the playlist like we have here, and if you click here then automatically it play in the YouTube. Same you can also play in your application. So in the next video I will show how to make searchable. Here pass a text field and then we have to show the flat list. When I click on the flat list, then I will call the same component, this player component. I will pass here in the property of player component, I will pass the video ID, and that video ID I will replace at the runtime from the playlist. And you will see that from the flat list I will pass the video ID, and runtime we will play this video in the React Native with the TypeScript application. So all these things I will show in the next video. In this video I explain only how to create this player component by using YouTube iframe, and you see we have a YouTube player, we have set default properties, default, everything is default here, and we are able to play the video. We will make some customization as per the requirement of the applications. That all things we will see in the next video also. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.